Hello guys, I'm glad to be back, and I'm back with a bang bang. So yeah, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe, join the winning team, join the winning family. We are a family here. We share information every now and then about how to make money online, about the best tools that you can use, in your affiliates, in your business, and we share motivational talks that's gonna get you going. And we do all of that because we care. We care because we can. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and if you have subscribed, make sure that you hit that notification bell so that whenever we release a new video you don't miss out, because you want to grab the information while it's still fresh. It is important, and all the information that we share here, I can guarantee you it is available and it's gonna add so much value in your life now and even in the next coming years. And as you can see from our channel, you'll see our videos there. I'm sure you're gonna find something that you can relate to. So if it's your first time, make sure that you don't leave without subscribing. Otherwise, let me know in the comment section if you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Right, let's get to the video of today. So today I just want to speak about focus. And I'm talking about this mainly from personal experience, and I want to talk about when you have an idea, first thing that comes is excitement. You get excited, but then when a lot of opportunities that are presented to you, you get even more excited. But let's just say maybe you have something that you need to sell. A lot of mistakes that affiliates or marketers that they do, whenever they get offers, they try to sell a lot of offers at one time, like I used to do. And let me tell you, it doesn't work. If you are using free traffic, it doesn't work. Maybe free traffic, even if it works, it is a long shot. I mean, let us learn from the big shots, big companies. We're speaking about Apple, we're speaking about BMW, we're speaking about Toyota, we're speaking about all these big companies. When they release a new version of, let's just say i6, they don't release i6 and i7 at the same time. They release an i6 and then they give it for a few months or years to sell. Not that when they released i6, the i7 features, they didn't have them in mind. They probably made it, but they didn't release it to the world because they know the secret. You have to focus on one thing at a time to make a sale, especially when you're trying to sell something. Especially, this is not, you don't need to be a salesperson. In fact, I like to see every person in this world as a salesperson, because you start by selling yourself. You don't need to sell something tangible to be a salesperson. We all salespeople. First thing first, before you can sell anything, you sell yourself. We sell ourselves in many ways. In conversations, when you're trying to get people to to agree with what you're saying, that's selling your opinion, selling your ideas. And what I'm talking about today, it goes a long way. It does not only apply to when you're selling offers, but even when you sell your ideas. Focus on one thing at a time. Don't bombard people. You get what I'm saying? So the focus should be there. The discipline should be there. I would be excited when I get a lot of offers, but at the end of the day, find that you didn't make even a single sale because your focus was scattered. You need to focus on one offer and brainstorm, develop some ideas on how you're gonna promote and present that one offer. Play around with it, get some rest. Don't overwork yourself on a lot of offers that's not gonna bring any value into your life. Focus on one thing, take your time. The secret we learn from the big companies, Apple, BMW. Whenever they release something, they will release an M4. Next year they will release something else. They release X2. Next year they'll release an X3 BMW, because they know that one offer at the time it sells. I hope you're gonna take this into account if you're an affiliate marketer, or if you're trying to sell your opinion or idea, or if you're trying to sell anything, clothes or whatever. Remember this: one offer at a time it sells. One offer at a time does not mean that you only sell one thing. Focus does not mean that you only do one thing. You can still do a lot of things. You can still sell a lot of things, if not everything. But know this technique: one thing at a time sells. A time can be selling something for 3 days, and then after 3 days you sell another one. But make sure that you invest your time, you put thoughts into whatever that you're gonna be selling, because at the end of the day, you don't want to just put something out there because you have it. You need to make sure that when you put it out there, you put it with a clear strategy. So as you continue to sell, affiliates, sell products, I wish you nothing but the best. But then, take it from myself. I've done, these mistakes, and if you haven't made these mistakes, then you are blessed, because you know to avoid this thing of trying to sell everything at one time, especially when you are using free traffic. Make sure that you focus on one thing if you want to have a successful sale, and not end up being discouraged because you'll be like, I've been trying to sell stuff on my affiliates but they don't work. Well, the answer is because you've been trying to sell a lot of stuff to only one audience. Remember, I don't want to get into the audience thing, but because here I'm talking about selling one thing at a time, but then it also speaks with bombarding the audience with a lot of things. At the end of the day, they don't know what to take, so you're gonna keep them focused at the same time. For someone to purchase or to buy into what you're saying, you need to capture their focus first, and to capture their focus, you have also to focus on one thing that you're gonna be selling. Alright, that's it, guys.